Let's take a look inside. Oh my god. It's tiny! Oh my goodness. That is ridiculous. These hard drives just get smaller and smaller. That's insane. That is insane. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a couple of mystery things that, well, they're mysteries, so I don't really know what they are. Let's just jump straight into it. Straps from a company called Wandrd, W-A-N-D-R-D. They've sent me a wrist strap. They have also sent me a sling strap and a neck strap, I believe. So I'm looking forward to testing those out as well. Thank you guys for sending those in. Let's just move. Oh, I don't know if you guys would have seen a good shot of this as well. So this is a table and wall stand that I've been sent by a company called Slick. I believe they are a certified Apple accessory provider. And this seems really well built. It's a nice little stand for your device. They're missing a trick if this isn't magnetic. They must have a magnetic version. This one uses like a sticky, reusable sticky surface, which is perfect for the glass back of the iPhone. Keeps it on there pretty steady. So that's a really nice piece of kit as well that I've had in this week. I still can't believe this hard drive. This is what a 1 terabyte drive used to look like. This is my old one and it's super heavy. Now I've just been sent a 1 terabyte drive from PNY that is that big, which is crazy. So I'm looking forward to getting into that. Where's the other thing that they sent me? Oh yeah, PNY also sent me an all-in-one dock, which is really cool. USB-C. It's a mini portable dock, so it has 4K HDMI and VGA display support. It also has a micro SD and an SD slot, and it has 2 USB-A 3.1 inputs and 1 USB-C 3.1, and also has a charging PD port as well. So that is really cool. That's what it looks like. It's just black, pretty small. Looking forward to trying that out. But let's get on to the big box, which I'm sure that's what you guys came for anyways. I've got a feeling I know what this is. So I'm not slightly, ooh, okay, yeah. I've slightly spoiled the surprise for myself because I looked at the dispatch note. This is a really cool product from a company called Drop Labs, and I love the box. It's got like a textured, there's like fingerprints almost to it, which is really cool. Let's get it out of the box. Oh, yeah, don't need you, thanks. So yeah, that is the packaging. I'm going to turn it around so I can face me. Ah, yeah, okay, so here it says, it's a pair of shoes, in case you were wondering. The box doesn't really give it away, but it's a pair of shoes in my size, and the color is black, black, black. And it also has a note on it about an app that you can download for the shoes. Yeah. Ooh, okay, this is pretty. You can see there's a nice colorful print, which I think is mirrored the same print that's on the outside. There you can see a little thank you note and some information. So it says, we hope you love our product. Share your #life amplified experience on social media at Drop Labs, and on Twitter, Drop Labs EP. Cool. There's a little picture inside of what's in the box. So we've got a quick start guide, a shoe bag, a charger, and the shoes, the EP01 shoes. Ooh, okay. Nice, actually. Cool. I mean, some of you guys might not even know, this year I've gone a whole year without buying any new sneakers because I had an addiction. And I'm going to make a video about that as well at some point, hopefully over the Christmas break. And I'll try and get that out maybe end of the year or maybe for New Year. It depends on how busy I am and how much I feel like working. Interesting shoe. Not what I would have expected. But I like the mix of materials. The shape's pretty cool. They look quite contemporary. The texture is very, that's delicious. And that's the same kind of texture. I think it's the same pattern that's on the box. That looks really cool though, don't you think? That looks sick. It looks like vibrations from a sound. You know those Dolby ads you get in the cinema where they drop the ball and then all the ripples come out? That's what that looks like. Well, that's what's reminding me of. I think that's super cool. And yeah, let's look at the other one. Get it out. Let's put that to the side for now. I am definitely feeling the presentation so far. These guys are killing it. And let's look at what else is in here. You can tell I'm a little bit excited because new shoes. Oh, cool. Okay, so yeah, like they mentioned in the pack, there is a charger for left and right on the shoe and some clips. I guess that's for sticking these on. Low latency gaming package. Gaming package? Okay, cool. So, okay. I can game with the shoes. I don't know what that's about, but cool. I'm looking forward to learning more about that. And that is just the case for all the wiring stuff. What I believe, you've got lights on the back here. From the little bit I know about Drop Labs, they have made this shoe, the EP01, which they're quite weighty at the back actually, and I think that's probably the giveaway. These shoes, from what I understand, convert sound energy into vibrations, which I can't wait to try. This seems like a really cool bit of innovative kit. Interesting weight to them. I'm not sure what they're going to feel like wearing them, so I'm going to put them on and let's take a look at them on foot and see just how comfortable they are, and I'll show you guys some details of them now. What I've gathered by looking at this wiring is there is a shoe icon and a headphone icon with a gaming headset on it. Let's also take a look at what's in the rest of the box. And then we have a shoe bag and a charger and the quick start guide. Hang on, let's just put these to the side. I love the materials though. These guys have really gone for it in terms of giving you a premium experience. So you got a cool shoe bag there. I like that. Nice material. And a charging brick for the shoes. Charging brick for the shoes, yeah, with magnetic fixings for left and right. So I'm going to charge these up as well. And the quick start guide, start here. Okay, so that has information about the buttons and the lights. So you turn them on by holding it for 0.5 seconds, release when the button turns white. Let's see if they come with a little bit of charge. Yep. You see there, the shoe is on. It's a cool little blue finish to it. I wonder if you can change the color on that as well. That's quite cool. And that's off. To pair them with the phone, press and hold for 2.5 seconds. Release the button when the light pulses cyan. Some safety and handling information. Avoid water exposure, okay. I don't like wearing nice kicks in the rain anyway, so that's a good idea. Don't get them wet. Not for vigorous athletic activities, cool. Don't drive and play sound through the EP01. I'm sure that'd be quite distracting, so yeah, probably not a good idea. Don't throw or drop. Use only with the provided charger, charge in a cool place, and don't wear them while they're charging, and don't charge if damaged. Nice. And then we've got regulation and compliance information, warranty information, It's covered by a limited warranty detailed in the app, and recycling information. That's cool. So I guess when you're ready to replace these and you want to recycle them, they have a recycling service, which is really cool to note. I'm glad they've included that. That's a good feature. Sweet. All right, let me download the app, charge the shoes, and then we'll have a look at how they work. Oh, cool. And I got a sticker.